Grab your favorite snack and join me as we clean the throttle body and air inlet on a Ford Ranger. I bet you already guessed what's going on with this Ranger. Yep, I'm dealing with multiple trouble codes. That's exactly why I'm doing this cleaning. My plan is to rule out the most common issues on these Rangers before taking any more drastic measures. But let's continue with our deep cleaning. To get to the throttle body unit, we first have to remove the air inlet. These are similar steps to our previous video. Remove the clips holding the harness. Now disconnect the vacuum hose, press the green clip and pull. Then remove the cover, loosen the clamp, and pull off the air inlet. Set it aside for now and let's focus on the throttle body. Grab your carb cleaner. Yes, it works great for these too. Use a towel to wipe away as much carbon and dirt as you can. And sometimes this is enough. However, during a major tune-up I did recently, I found the other side looking like this. It was nasty. I'll show you exactly what I did to clean it today. However, you'll get to see this in much more detail in the upcoming video, head gasket replacement, which is a lot longer and covers several other repairs you do not want to miss. And this time we're going with the real deal. And look at that difference. Nice. We're installing a new gasket. Part number is in the video description. Now let's get back to today's video. I started by spraying degreaser all over it, scrubbed a little bit, rinsed it off, and then sprayed it with a soap and water mix. I spent some time off camera inspecting it for any cracks and holes. Then it was time to reinstall everything. All you have to do is retrace your steps all the way back to the beginning. Make sure you don't miss anything or you'll end up with a vacuum leak. Oops, I forgot the cover. I managed to eliminate most of the trouble codes, but this one remains. And look at that. How perfect. And you're done. Watch my next video where I dig deeper by performing a smoke test and finding the real problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.